Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm starting with a series. Now this series is an examination series where we will cover the topics which usually come in exams. The first topic which I'm talking about today is composition. Okay, let's start. I am making a composition of mushrooms together. Okay, to start with, now this is a shape I'm creating for the mushroom. Now composition can be any drawing, any objects which are made together can cover up the composition. So here I am making some mushrooms which are made. Okay. Now this is the first mushroom. Now what I will do is I will make two more mushrooms along with it, which will make it a composition. Now in exams, most of the time the topic which comes, this is a very easy topic which comes up, that you have to create a composition. It can be a composition of your choice or they give you a composition. So composition is basically when we create a few objects all together. It can be a composition of still life objects, it can be a composition of anything which you can draw together. So here I have created three mushrooms, right? Now this is looking a little blank, so I will create some grass along with it. And I will try and cover a lot more topics which usually comes in exams. So okay, now when I am creating this video, I'll tell you how to do shading in it, a little bit of shading in it. I'm taking the colors of orange, red and maroon, the shades of maroon to color this, and I'll be giving a lot of shades. So while talking to you about examination, I'm just trying to tell you that this is a fear which come up. We don't practice for art exam, I know that. And we don't want to practice as if we know how to do everything and we will be able to complete the drawing in a given time, right? And when the question paper comes up, or suppose I already know what I need to draw, at that time also it's really difficult, because at that time to think what to draw is something which we really feel that will it look good, is it nice or not. So just few simple steps and few things, if we already practice keeping them in mind, it will be very easy for us to draw them in exams. Any composition, you can make this simple drawing of mushrooms. I am not making it in a kiddish way, I am just making simple mushrooms which we will, you can see I am just giving the shades. Now shading is very important, color medium is very important. Now, what color medium you decide to give the shades upon is very important, and how you give the shades, that is also very important. So if you are comfortable in oil pastels, use oil pastels. If you are comfortable in painting colors, you can do that also. I'll get a few more videos with painting where we'll do painting, watercolors and other mediums also. So you can see this. And I will give the shades over here. Now what we will do is I'm taking the shades of color of yellow color and a little bit of brown color to give the shades. So what I'm doing is I'm giving the depth from one side, right? I'm just giving the depth from one side, and I will merge it with a lighter tone so that we get a desired effect of this mushroom, which we usually see when we do that. Okay, I'll just show you how to do the mixing. So you can see the depth which is coming in, and I will come up with many more videos and try to cover many more topics which are usually there in the exams, and we don't have to think then what to draw in the exam series. So with this series, my motto is to make you comfortable with your exams. You can see this. Okay, what I'll do is, you have already understood how to give the shades in mushroom. So I will take this to the faster mode. Okay, you have seen that I have done the light color, the dark color, and now I have done the mixing with the light color, the overlapping of the colors, that you have understood. So and the background color always gives a beautiful effect. Okay, so that is very, very important. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video, and for you this topic composition, you will always keep in mind, and you will create the things, and I will get more topics which usually come in the exams in this examination series. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do like and share, and also subscribe my channel. Bye everyone. Take care, stay safe and stay happy.